In this video, I'm going to show you how to do table of contents in Google Docs. So this is very simple, but the first thing you have to do is have multiple titles and mark them as titles inside your document. So I just have some random text copied in here with some totally random titles, okay, title 1, 2, and 3. And you have to make them different titles. And the way you do this is simply mark it, so select it, and then go up here to where it says normal text and make it heading 1. You can also make it heading 2 if it's a subtitle. So you can make it title 1 if it is the main title, but if it's a subcategory title, you can make it heading 2 or then heading 3 if it's a tier below that. So for this instance, I'm going to make it heading 1. Simply click on it, and as you can see, it's now heading 1. And then title 2, you do the exact same thing, and then the next title, the exact same thing. Now, once you've done this, you have to have a page where you want your content, your table of contents to be. So in my case, since it does not matter right now, I'm just going to create a new page down here and place it in here. And the way you do this is simply by going to Insert up here and then scroll down to where it says Table of Contents, and then you can choose from the plain text, dotted, or links styles. I'm going to click on plain text. And as you can see, the table of contents has been added. It's all on page 1. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can then name it. So let's say table of contents. And in case some of these were on different pages, so let's just move this one down here. This will not auto-update, and you will have to update it manually. And you do this by simply clicking on it, and over here it says Update Table of Contents. Click on this, and as you can see, title 3 was now changed, and it says it's now on page 2, which is correct since I've just moved it, and both title 1 and 2 are staying on page 1 where they were before. And this is how you create a table of contents in Google Docs.